So what is stopping you from developing an agentic, multi-agentic solution that can automate the complete software development lifecycle?
That's actually the overarching idea of which Test Samurai is a component. So all these things, when put together into a well-connected architecture, is the AI control tower system I'm thinking.
What is the minimalistic architecture that is required?
So ultimately it will boil down to an AI agentic solution, but it should be coming top down. As an organization, my ask should not be that, okay, what can I do with AI, or where can I apply AI in my organization? And that's where the journey should start.
Good day and welcome everyone. My name is Irfan. I serve as the CEO of Digital, and it's great to have you with us today. I'm really excited about this conversation because we are with my associate here, Amit Jain, who is the VP for AI and data. So since we have already built Test Samurai for test automation, right? I wanted to just go back to that topic of how is that different from all the other testing tool, automation tools that exist today, right? It could be Selenium or it could be so many other tools currently available. So how is Test Samurai different from any of those?
How it is different from existing products like Cypress and Selenium is that these existing products, although good, if nothing changes, but the moment if the website changes, the features available on the website changes, the tests which have been written become very brittle, and they have to be rewritten or they have to be enhanced significantly, which requires a lot of manual effort. What Test Samurai brings in is a very unique offering, wherein you can generate tests based on any requirement document, or if you don't have any documentation, you can just point Test Samurai at your website and it will discover the website on its own and generate test cases. And we are taking it to the next level, wherein as your website evolves, there is a self-heal feature, self-test heal feature, which will adjust the test cases based on how your website evolves over a period of time. So this, I think, is a game changer in my opinion. And I mean, from what I've known, there are no existing tools out there.
So what is stopping you now? If you look at from the software development lifecycle, testing is part of it.
Yes.
Right. So what is stopping you to, from developing an agentic, multi-agentic solution that, can automate the complete software development lifecycle?
Yeah,
Is that something that you're thinking about?
Yes, that's actually the overarching idea of which Test Samurai is a component.
Okay.
So in our office in Vida Digital AI Labs, there are multiple projects which are, some of them are still at a research level, I would say, towards automating each and every phase of the SDLC. So whether it is about code generation, whether it is about analyzing the requirements, generating use cases. So basically, what we are trying to build is like a digital product manager, digital UX designer, digital architect, and digital development engineer, and QA engineer is basically the Test Samurai already in place. So all these things, when put together into a well-connected architecture, is the AI control tower system I'm thinking, which will solve the SDLC challenge.
Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the architecture goes into this, right? And obviously for any system to work, bring all of this together. What's the logical architecture? What's your recommendation that, at least from the architecture standpoint of view, not just for what we are doing within the AI labs of Digital, but for the organizations and companies that are either looking to get, okay, they know I will be left behind if I don't get on the bandwagon. Generative AI and now it's agentic AI, right? Or for others who have already started on this journey, But as they start wearing their feet, this uncovering, okay, how do I do this? How do I do that? Right. And do you have any recommendations and suggestions on what is the minimalistic architecture that is required and how we can, organizations should think about building upon it?
Right. So, rather than directly giving a specific architectural answer, I would go a little bit higher level. So, as an organization, my ask should not be that, okay, what can I do with AI, or where can I apply AI in my organization? It should be the other way around. Are there business problems or business challenges which exist today where I can think of applying an AI based solution? And that's where the journey should start. Uh, and uh, mm, and then we should identify the most pressing problem that we are facing today, and then build an AI based solution towards it. And slowly, as we crush those problems, solve those problems using AI, we get on to the next problem and next problem, thereby making the overall organization more and more efficient in each stage of execution. So that's how an organization, at the organization level, the overall system should operate. Now, coming to the logical architecture, we need to identify the issues, the challenges we have, and then we need to see which of these can be directly solved using AI. Then start formulating, okay, what kind of AI agent specialist I want to build, right? If it's a, let's say, a software problem, then I need to build DevOps engineer, or I want to build a data scientist agent. Or if it is a sales related issue that I want to increase the sales in a specific part of the geography of the world, then it should be a sales executive agent that I want to build in. So ultimately, it will boil down to an AI agentic solution, but it should be coming top down. So I identify business problem and then drill it down, identify specific connects where AI can help me, and then build those solutions using agentic AI. As opposed to what many organizations today are doing, because they want to look good in media and on their websites, that okay, we use AI left, right, and center, but the connect between solving a real business problem and adopting AI is, there is a big disconnect. And that is why there is this talk that, okay, AI is there, but it did not actually result in increased efficiency in my organization. The reason is that we did not start with a business problem in mind. The start was, I want to use AI in my organization. So inject AI somewhere and hope for efficiency, hope for cost reduction. That's not going to happen. Identify a business problem, apply AI to it, and there you go. That's where AI can help.
Okay.